Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the computer aided drafting laboratory experiment number 10. Create the 2D sectional view of flange coupling. Now we are going to AutoCAD software. This is a flange coupling final assembly and sectional view. These all are the part diagram of the given dimension of flange coupling. Okay. And in this case we have to draw the two flange and two shaft, two taper key and hexagonal bolt, four hexagonal bolt, four hexagonal nut. Okay, now we are ready to draw the diagram. So first we have to draw the flange. Okay, in this case the distance of the flange, the diameter of the flange is 190. So inner diameter of flange it is 140. First we have to draw the flange. Okay, now we are going to draw the line command. First of all we have to draw the center line. First draw the center line. Okay, we draw the line and then select this line and then change the properties. Okay, this is a center line we draw. Next we draw the, okay, this outer diameter is 190. Okay, outer diameter is 190 means, so we have to draw the, so in this case we have to change the layer. Okay, next we have to draw the we have to change the layer. First I draw change the layer in a stop layer. So in this layer I have to draw the flange. Okay, draw the line. The diameter of the flange is 190. Outer diameter is 190. So half of the 190, 95. Okay, 95, 95 mm vertical line we have to draw, and then its thickness is 20, and then we have to draw the thickness is 20. Next we have to draw the downward line 20. Enter. Next we have to draw the downward line. Its downward distance is 190. 190. Okay. Next we have to draw its thickness is 20. Next upward distance is 95. Okay, that's all. Now we complete the line. Next we have to draw its inner diameter 140. So for the inner diameter of circle 140 means, so we have to draw one center line. Okay, so we have to draw one center line. So enter, select this line and take offset. Inner diameter 140 means, take offset 70 mm above, uh, 70 mm above, and then take the offset in below 70 mm we draw. Next we have to draw the, okay, this line is a uh, center line. After that, here the smaller diameter holes are there. Here the diameter, it's a circle the diameter of the holes is 12.8. So 12.8 means we have to take offset 6.4. Take offset 6.4 mm above, and the same way 6.4 in below. Okay, so this is a center line. So we have to draw the center line format. Okay, we have to change the properties. Okay, we have to select these properties. So this is a center line. So this is a hidden lines. Okay, this is a 14 point, it's a diameter hole is 12.8. 12.8 means 6.4 yeah, mm its diameter. So we have to select the lines and change the line properties. It's a hidden line. Similarly we have to draw the line in below. So we have to delete and then select this these three lines. Take mirror. Okay, we have to take mirror command. The below bottom of the flange will be uh, and draw. Okay, next we have to draw the uh, next we have to draw the distance. Its distance is 80 mm diameter. So 80 mm diameter means, we have to take offset. We have to draw the, okay, in this case its distance is 75. From this point we have to draw the line in 75. We have to delete the line, and then in this case we have to draw the line 75 mm. From this point onwards we have to draw the lines. In this case we have to draw the line 75 mm. Okay, in this case we take a offset, select this line and take a offset distance 40. 40 in above, 40 in below. Okay, we completed. Next we have to complete this line. Okay, we have to select the line and click the line, click this point to this point. Mm, okay, now uh, this is a center line. Okay, the center line is already drawn, so this is for reference line only we draw, so we have to delete this line. Okay, fine. Okay, finally we have to delete. Okay, no problem. Now onwards we have to delete, no problem. Here we have to take a fillet. Here fillet radius they didn't given, so approximately we give radius value 5. 5. So in this case we take fillet. Similarly we have to take a fillet in bottom of the below the reference axis. Okay, same way we have to draw the fillet here. So here fillet, the radius value they didn't given, so approximately we give 5. So in this case we select this point and this point. Next we have to extend the line, extend line. Okay, extend the line, we have to extend this line. Okay, extend this line. So next we have to draw, go to fillet. Here the radius value approximately we provide 5, this line and this line. Okay, now the fillet was happening. Next we have to same way we have to extend the line in above side. uh, okay, next that's all. Now we complete this portion. Next we have to take a this distance is the shaft diameter. Here the shaft diameter is 45 mm. So 45 mm means we have to take a line. We have to 45 mm means we have to take a half of the 45 is 22.5. We have to draw the line in a 22.5. Okay, just for that purpose we have to draw one line. So in this line we have to take a offset, select the line and the offset value 22.5 in above. The same way we have to draw the line in below 22.5. Now 22.5. Okay, okay, these all are the center line, so we have to extend these lines from the center onwards. Okay, we have to extend the line, extend extend these lines. Okay, extend these lines. Okay, these all are the center line, so we have to select and match the properties, match the properties here and here. Okay, okay, that's all. Next we have to draw the line here 47.9. Okay, from this point to from this point 47.9. So that purpose we have to select the point and take offset 47.9. Okay, in this case we draw. Similarly we have to join the line. Okay, similarly in this case we have to draw the line in 1 mm in this side. We draw a line from this point to this point 1 mm, 1 mm. Similarly we have to, now we off the ortho command, click the point and click here. Okay, that's all. Now this line apply the this is a center line center line, so select the match properties. This is a center line. Now the reference line we have to delete it. Okay, uh, we have to complete the 47.9 mm distance line we completed. Almost we complete the flange. Okay, now already almost we completed the flange dimensions. Next we have to draw the shaft. Okay, in this case shaft dimension, it's approximately we have to take here we want to take approximately we draw the shaft distance 110. Okay, approximately they didn't provide the shaft distance, so approximately we take control V. Okay, in this case see the shaft diameter. The shaft diameter is I think 45 mm. So length we approximately take 110. So in this case we change the uh, uh, layer, so I change the layer. So now I draw the line The diameter of the shaft is 45. So diameter of the shaft to 45 means the half of the shaft is 22.5 22.5 22.5. Okay, next the length is 110, diameter 45. Okay, 110. Now we have to draw the line in below diameter of the shaft 45. Here 110. The above the vertical line is 22.5. Okay, now we complete the diameter of the shaft. In this case, we have to take a keyway. Yeah, we have to draw the special lines. So in this case we draw the special line. No, in this case we draw the arc. Okay, here start, end. Okay, start end radius, we select the point, this point and this point. The radius distance is 22.5. Okay, 22.5. Okay, we complete. Similarly we have to take mirror. In this case select this point, and from this point to this point, same way we have to take the mirror in below. Okay, take mirror in below side, this point to this point. That's all. Next, we have to take a keyway in above the line. In this case we take the keyway line for 2 mm, 3 mm. Okay, take a offset 3 mm below the reference line. From the keyway is, see the diagram. Here the keyway is here. The keyway distance is 3 mm. From this point to this point 90 mm. So we have to draw a line. Okay, we have to draw a line from this point to 90 mm to the leftward direction. So we select the line and take offset, yeah, in a 90 mm distance to the leftward direction. Now we are going to take fillet. We provide the radius value 2. Approximately we provide radius value 2. Okay, this line and this line. Okay, we complete the keyway. So in this case we selected these points, these lines, and then these all are the lines are in hidden lines. So we have to go to line properties and change dashed lines. Everything changed. Next we have to take a keyway in the in outside. So in this case, we take a keyway from inside. So we select this point, take a offset, select this point, take a offset, and inside inner side we take 10 mm inside. Okay, 10 mm inside, it's too large, so take a offset. We provide distance 2. Okay, 2 mm distance. So in this case we have to draw a 45-degree inclination line. For that purpose we are going to click the line and click this point here, off the ortho command. Next we have to draw the line in a 45-degree inclination. 45-degree inclination. Now we have to trim the excess lines. So this line we don't need, this line also we don't need, this line also we don't need. These lines we have to take mirror, select this line and click the mirror command from this point to this point. Click here. Next we want to remove the unwanted lines. Trim. Okay, trim the unwanted lines. Okay, these lines is we don't need, so we have to trim it. Okay, now the shaft. Okay, given diagram flange coupling shaft was completed. Next we have to we don't need these lines, and we have to select and delete these lines. These lines we don't need these lines. So in this area we have to fillet, we have to hatching. So select the hatching, go to click the hatching. So this portion we have to hatch. Next we have to change the hatching properties. I provide 25. Now the hatching value uh, occurred in this area. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Now we finish the given okay, given flange coupling shaft we completed. Okay, in flange coupling uh, we completed already we completed flange. Okay, already we completed flange, and then we completed the shaft. Okay, and then we completed the shaft. Next we have to draw the bolt. Okay, okay, flange we completed, shaft we completed. Next we want to draw the bolt and nut. Okay, in this case the bolt distance they are given. Okay, and the bolt distance, it's a 12 bolt, so we have to draw the bolt and the nut. Okay, in this case, we select the we draw the we select the center line, copy and control V. Okay, we have to draw the nut and bolt here. The bolt length is the bolt hexagonal bolt length they provide 18 plus 34 plus 8. So in this distance we have to draw 18 plus 34 plus 8, 18 26 26 30 60 60 mm length. Okay, 24 60. Okay, 60 length, 34. Okay, we have to draw a line. Okay, in this case we have to change the dimension. Okay, in this case we have to draw a layer. Okay, in this case for layer we select in this layer. Okay, we have to draw the line, click the point and click here. The diameter of the bolt is 12 so the radius is 6. Okay, 6. Next we have to draw the horizontal length, uh, 60 length, 60 next we have to draw the downward line. So okay, in this case listen, okay, 60 length, no problem. Next we have to download the distance, this also uh, 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12. Next in a downward horizontal direction it is 60, this is a 12, 6. Okay, sorry, half of the it is 6, half of the bolt length is 6. Okay, in this case the headed bolt is 24 so we have to draw a uh, okay, in this distance we have to the headed bolt distance they are given. Okay, see the difference, see the diagram. Okay, see the diagram. Its distance is 80 From the 80 we have to take offset 34 30 34 Okay, so select this point and take a offset 80 thickness. Okay, 80 thickness. From this point we take offset 34 Okay, 34 Okay, this is the headed bolt, so we have to draw a distance 24 the height, this is 12 the height is 12 next we have to draw the another 6 above, 6 below. In this case we have to draw a line from this point to 6. Okay, no problem. We have to draw a line from this point to the height of the headed bolt is 24. So approximately we consider. So we draw half of the 24, 12. Okay, its horizontal distance is 8. It's 8. Okay, that's all. Next, we have to delete this line. uh, Next line command, we click this point. Here we have to measure the distance 24. Its horizontal distance is also 8. Okay, okay, horizontal distance also 8. So we have to delete this, we have to delete these lines. Okay, in this case we have to click line and I click this point. This is 24 means half of the 24, 12. That's all. The headed bolt was completed. Next we have to draw the inner side circle. So that purpose we are going to draw a tangent radius command. In this case we click this point, from this point, from this point. Okay, same way we have to draw the tangent radius here. Same way we have to click the tangent radius, this point, this point, this point. Okay, similarly we have to draw. Okay, just we trim the unwanted half of the circle. So go to trim command. So remove the unwanted lines. So these lines are we don't need. Similarly, okay. Next we have to select these lines, these arced lines, and then take mirror, from this point to this point. Click enter. Now we go to trim command and trim the unwanted lines. Now the headed bolt, hexagonal bolt head, we completed. Next, the inner side of the, we have to take inner side 2 mm keyway. So in this case we draw a offset 2 mm, 2 mm. So 2 mm is too large, so we have to take inner distance is 1 mm. 2 mm is okay. 2 mm too large, so we take offset 1 mm. So inner, okay, 1 mm inside. Similarly, 1 mm inside. Okay, now we have to select this line, delete, and we have to trim the unwanted line. Trim command, these lines we have to remove. We have to remove these lines and select this line and select this line, remove. So next we have to the end of the line, end of the bolt, we have to take a offset from this line take a offset inside, uh, inside 2 mm, inside 2 mm. So no problem. Just we select and draw a line. Similarly we have to trim the trim the line. Okay, same way we have to remove unwanted lines. We have to remove unwanted lines. Next is these lines, select these lines consider as a dashed line, so change the properties. In this case, okay, next we have to trim. First we have to draw the inclined 45-degree inclination line. The offset, we have to take offset this line. We have to draw a line and click this point, and we have to off the ortho command, draw the 45-degree inclination line. In this case we have to draw a line in 135 degree. In this case 45, 137, 135. Okay, 135. Okay, okay. So we have to trim the line. Select and trim the unwanted lines. Okay, uh, okay, that's all. Okay. Similarly we have to take a mirror in below the sides. Take mirror from this point to this point, enter. Next we want to trim command, trim the unwanted lines, these lines and these lines and these lines. Okay, now we have to select these lines also, trim inner side. So we have to trim the line. Okay, now we have to change the line properties. We have to select and select these lines and change the properties, dashed lines. Okay, now we complete the hexagonal headed bolt we completed. Next we have to draw the um, bolt nut. Now we completed the, okay. Now headed bolt we completed. Next we have to draw the nut. Okay. In this case, the nut distance, nut length is 10 mm. The height of the nut approximately we consider 24. Okay. Okay. Consider the given diagram. Okay. The thickness is 10. The height is 24. Approximately we consider the 24 mm height of the nut. Okay. So for that purpose we draw the line and I click here. The height is 24 means this is 12. Next the thickness role is set. We have to take off ortho command. Okay, 24, height 12. Here the its horizontal distance is 10, thickness 10. Okay, it's the Okay, we go to line and click here, go click the line and ortho command we have to in on position. Its horizon vertical distance 12, its thickness is 10. Okay, next we have to draw the downward vertical line is 24, its horizontal distance 10, its upward direction 12. Okay, we completed. Next in this case, mm, okay, in this case we have to draw a line uh, from this point to front, this point. This is a 12 mm headed bolt, so the nut distance also 12 mm. So we have to draw the center line, take a offset 6 mm in above, 6 mm in below. Okay, next we have to select this line and delete. Um, Select the line, select the reference center line, you have to delete. In this case we have to draw a tangent radius, so tangent radius we select and click here and click here and click here. Similarly we have to draw a tangent radius from this point, from this point, from this point. So we have to trim the unwanted circle, so we go to trim command, remove the unwanted lines. So we have to trim here, trim here. Next we want to take the mirror, select this select this point, select this point. So we go to take mirror from this point to from this point. Now the mirror command completed. Here he want to remove the unwanted lines in below the headed nuts. Okay, hexagonal nuts. Okay, in this similar same way we have to take mirror in opposite side. So select this shape. Okay, select this shape. So we have to take mirror. Okay, we have to take mirror in midpoint from this point to this point. Here the portions are projected in outside of the nut. So we have to select. Okay, we have to select and move. Now we have to use move command from this point to, from this point to this point. Move command was completed. Okay, next we want to remove the unwanted lines. Okay, okay, we don't need the unwanted lines, so these lines are we have to trim. Okay, finally we completed the hexagonal nut. Okay, this is a hexagonal bolt, this is a hexagonal nut we completed. Next we have to complete the in this case we have to okay, finally we have to arrange, no problem. In this case finally we have to draw the another one pin we have to draw. In this case flange we completed, shaft we completed, hexagonal bolt, hexagonal nut we completed. Next taper key we have to draw. Okay, in this case the taper key distance is 2.9. Okay, here 47.9. So then only we have to draw a taper key line. So in this case we change the layer, so pin layer. So we have to draw a line, draw a horizontal line. See the pin the length, the pin length is 80 mm. Okay, so pin length is 80 mm. So draw a select the click this point, this is the horizontal distance is 80 mm. Draw a upward line is 2.9 mm, 2.9 mm. Enter. Next click this point and click here in this distance is 1 mm. From this point to we have to um, of the ortho command. From this point to we have to click here from this point to this point. Okay, now we complete the pin. Okay, uh, this is a taper pin we completed, the taper key we completed. Here we have to you draw the two number of taper pin. Already we completed the one, another one we have to take a mirror. Okay, in this case we take mirror, so another taper pin was completed. Okay, no problem. Next we have to assemble. Okay, we have to take mirror and mirror command we have to use. Okay, that's all. And we have to next we have to move assemble everything. Okay, this is a flange. From the flange we have to assemble the we have to assemble the shaft. Okay, we have to we draw the shaft, select the shaft and move this point. Okay, enter the move command, click here. So we have to off the ortho command and move the shaft, and we have to um, paste the shaft here. From this point we have to paste, we have to paste. Okay, next we have to draw the we have to keep the we have to draw the headed bolt. Okay, headed bolt after we complete. In this case we have to join the taper key, we have to assemble. Okay, we have to select this taper key. Okay, move this point, move from this point, we have to move the taper key, and then we have to keep the taper key here, we have to keep the taper key here. Okay, now the flange portion completed, the shaft completed, taper key also we completed. Okay, next we want to take mirror. Okay, we want to take the mirror. Okay, in this case we have to we have to select everything and click okay, remove the center line. Now we have to click the mirror command, go to mirror, and from this point to take offset, click on ortho command. Okay, click on ortho command in on position. We have to finish the we have to take the mirror in from this point to from this point. Okay, next okay, the flange was completed. Next we have to the shaft also positioned, the taper key also mirrored. Okay, next we want to assemble the headed bolt. Okay, in this case we have to same way we have to draw a center line from this point here to here. Okay, enter. So select this line, match properties here. Okay, now we want to move the headed bolt. We want to move the headed bolt, and select okay, select the headed bolt and type move command, and click the uh, selected the headed bolt and move from this point, and also we have to keep the headed bolt here. Okay, here we want to, okay, just copy, we don't move if we need some time. So just copy, just copy. Okay, from this point I want to take copy. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, okay, here I paste. Next next we want to keep the headed nut, hexagonal nut. Okay, we select, and then we have to take a copy, take from this point we keep, and move the headed nut, and then we have to keep the nut here. Okay, that's all. Now we arranged the upper side headed bolt and nut. Similarly we have to we have to follow the headed bolt nut in below direction. Okay, in this case we take mirror also, we take, no problem. Just same way we have to take copy. Okay, copy. In this case we select this point. Similarly, we have to keep the headed hexagonal and bolt we have to fix here. Next, we want to fix the headed hexagonal nut. Okay, CO, copy. So we have to select this point and keep the point here. Okay, that's all. This is a final shape of the given hexagonal. sorry, flange coupling. Okay, so just move and keep here. Okay, well, this is final shape of the hexagonal flange coupling. In this case, we have to take mirror. We have to take a hatching. Okay, in final, we have to take a hatching in this portion. So we want to trim the unwanted lines. Okay, so we want to trim these lines and these lines. Next, we don't need these lines and these lines. These lines we don't need. Same way. Uh, Okay, these lines we don't need. We have to trim it and remove it, and then we have to draw a off. Next, we have to take hatching. Okay, in this area we have to hatching. Here we want to hatch. Okay, click hatching. This portion, okay, these are these portions we have to hatching. Next, we want to hatching here in opposite direction. This portion here we want to change the angle. So change the angle means we just click here and rotate the angle. So we provide generally we provide 100, 90. Okay, no problem. Here we have to change 90, provide 90. It's generally it was automatically changed. Mm. Next, okay, in this case, that's all. These all are the final assembly, cross-sectional assembly view of the flange coupling. In flange coupling, the half of the headed bolt is visible here. So we want to uh, also, okay, we want to take a copy. Okay, we want to take a copy from this point to this point. Okay, the center line. See the, okay, from this point to this point, we want to paste here. Similarly, we want to copy the line. Okay, CO from this point to this point. So we want to trim the upper side portions. So in this case, we go to trim command and trim the upper side hexagonal bolt portions. Uh, these portions we have to trim here. So remaining portion we have to select and delete everything. Delete, select this way, distance, select everything, and also we have to delete. Okay, it's if it's half of the headed bolt view only visible. Okay, okay, that's all. Okay, this is a final view of uh, given flange coupling. Okay, this is a final sectional, cross sectional, and assembly view of given flange coupling. And okay, next class we will discuss the next diagram. Thank you to all.